guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're be doing a makeup video. I'm gonna be doing a makeup video. Technically, my sister's in here. That's a little bit good and a little bit bad. She starts fights. So, I got a little bit of makeup. I'm not gonna put a crap ton on. My eyes are red. I can't remember what this is called. Well, today I got my sister with me,
which is my special guest. I don't want her in here, but she has to be in here.
I normally never have a special guest, but today I am.
Now let me show you something.
Today we're doing a makeup video. As you see, I already got black on my eyes. We already practiced and I accidentally got it on my eyeballs. So, I don't think I'll be able to put mascara on. She might.
I already had mascara on, kind of. But not
I
that
still
much.
need some more.
Not the day.
So I'm gonna use her makeup, which is a humongous bag. She's gonna use my makeup, which I don't have that much makeup because, as you know, I'm only 7. I'm not allowed to have
She's
that
only
much.
7.
I'm not allowed to have that much makeup. I got grounded for makeup, but my dad said I could get ungrounded, and well, he said that I could do this makeup video, and he found my makeup, so we did this makeup video. So I decided to do the makeup video. He was like, sure. I was going to do it with my mom's makeup and sneak and get it, but my mom, she comes in here a lot. So like whenever my mom comes in here, she's going to see all of my makeup. She's going to get me in big trouble, but she might not because my dad will get in big trouble for letting me have back my makeup. She literally took it from me because I was terrible at it.
Look, it looks ghetto because my
Guys,
tattoo.
we went to Magnolia yesterday, and we got these free tattoos where you like put your arms, put your hand in this
Surprise
hole,
tattoo.
and these ladies behind the thing, they give you a surprise tattoo. Okay, let's start.